Think Mania presents the top 3 qualities that drive men crazy. All I want from the man of my dreams is love, sex, and closeness. All I want from the man of my dreams is love, sex, and closeness. I want to be a happy, strong, and sensual woman who finds a man who loves her for who she is. Do any of those things sound familiar? Everyone wants to be loved. Let me tell you 3 things you can do to attract your dream man. You won't have to look for him because he will come to you. 1. Smiles. Smiling shows that you're sure of yourself. You can't tighten up and get all tense in your body, feel really uncomfortable, and still have a big, bright smile on your face. If you smile, and I mean a real smile, it means you are happy with your life. Your life is fun, makes you happy, and gives you pleasure. Men don't want women who are unhappy. 2. Having fun. Don't be so hard on yourself. Playfulness means being healthy, alive, and not dangerous. Think in terms of primates needing to feel safe with their mating partners. No man wants a woman who is always very serious and wants to be perfect in everything. You wouldn't want a man who is too straight, right? 3. Aliveness. A deep appreciation for life and being here makes you feel alive. It comes from making yourself more sensual and feeling. Liveliness is contagious. It shows up as good energy and passion. No man wants a woman who is lifeless.